In this video, I'll show you how to tie together invoices and estimates, documents and contracts, and automations in order to create professional payment workflows. Depending on your business model, there's a couple of different ways that you can manage payments between automations, invoices, and documents. So I'm going to show you 3 common ways that you can use these features together. Scenario 1, you have an agreement created under documents and contracts. You have this as a template, and when you're ready to send this to a customer, you click the 3 dots, you use the template, and send this to the customer for signature. This can be an agreement for services, a contract, or even for internal use. For this case, let's say this is customer facing and we want to send an invoice afterwards. Let's imagine this is a new customer agreement and we want to send an invoice or payment link once this is signed. We can do this by going to automations and creating a workflow. We'll use a trigger for documents and contracts, which can be found under payments, and we'll add a filter for status is completed. This will run when all parties have completed their signature fields, but if we want to run this off of just signatures, we can do signed/accepted as well. Then we can add our action and use any of our payment related actions, which can be found under payments. We can use things like send invoice, stripe one-time charge, or send estimate. For this case, we can send our invoice and select our from user, invoice template, and our channel. This way, when someone signs our document, it will immediately invoice them accordingly. We can save and publish this workflow and we'll be good with this first scenario. Scenario 2, send estimates to your customers and immediately invoice them once the estimate has been approved. We can do this by going to payments, invoices and estimates, and navigating to estimates. By clicking new estimate, we'll be sent to the estimate builder, which is very similar to the invoice builder. Once we add our customer, product, and other important information, all the way at the bottom, we can toggle on send invoice. With this enabled, the customer will automatically be sent an invoice once they approve the estimate. And by toggling on enable direct payments, this allows users to automatically be redirected to the invoice once they've accepted the estimate. This is a simple setup, and if you use invoices, this is a great way to get started without having to build any automations. Scenario 3, custom payment workflow. By using templated documents and invoices, we can manage all of our payment systems within our automations. If you add a trigger and scroll down on the right-hand side, you'll find all of our payment-related triggers: invoicing, payment received, order form submissions, documents and contracts, estimates, subscriptions, and much more. By utilizing these triggers, we can build custom payment workflows that work for our business model and customize each one using filters. Similarly, you can use your payment actions, such as charging, sending invoices, estimates, and documents and contracts, in order to build a payment workflow that works for you. Make sure to familiarize yourself with all of the settings across invoices and estimates and documents and contracts. This will help you utilize this feature in a way that works for your business.